your entire flight crew, I'd like to welcome you to Orlando. Current local time is 12:30. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to complete and final stop at the gate. Seatbelt sign is turned off. Use caution when opening the overhead bins as items tend to shift during flight. If you need information about ground transportation or baggage claim, we'll be an informed gate agent greeting this flight, but we'll be happy to assist you. If your entire flight would like to thank you for choosing United, you have a pleasant stay here in the Orlando area, wherever your final destination may be. Use of cell phones is now permitted.